The Samsung Galaxy A80 comes with a 48-megapixel rotating camera, enabling you to match the quality of front camera shots with that of the rear camera. The phone is available in Angel Gold, Phantom Black and Ghost White colors. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM that allows for easy multitasking. It also features 128GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 512GB to store all your photos, videos and movies. The phone comes with dual nano SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Samsung Galaxy A80 comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus S AMOLED Infinity display to provide a smooth and immersive viewing experience. It also comes with fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has a 48-megapixel plus 8-megapixel plus 3D triple rear camera with a 123-degree ultra-wide field of vision. The 48-megapixel rotating camera lets you match the quality of front camera shots with that of the rear camera. The phone runs on Android Pie operating system. The Snapdragon 730G octa-core processor provides for smooth multitasking and high-end gaming. This phone is powered by a 3700 mAh lithium-ion battery with 25-watt super-fast charging technology. The box includes travel adapter, earphone, USB cable and user manual. The Samsung Galaxy A80 comes with standard brand warranty. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.